Hello, and welcome to today's edition of You Must Have Missed Science Class. We are currently in Lesson 3. Last Thursday we completed the front of the packet where we did some anchoring experiences, watched a video, and did some predicting. And today we started working on vocabulary. So in your packet, on the second page, we predicted what these words might mean. So write down your current understanding of these terms. We have evaporation, transpiration, and system boundary. So pause the video and write down your definitions for those words. We completed the beginning of Station A today. We did part 1 where we put together a celery stalk model to try to answer the question of does water move through plants? And if water does move through plants, how does that occur? So what we did is we constructed one system model to be put in the light for 24 hours and one system model to be put in the dark for 24 hours. So what we have here is our celery stalks. We put them in 100 milliliters of red water, and then we predicted what we would see happening. So sketch out what one of these looks like. And basically, it's just a stick of celery that's in some red water. Each of the beakers has 100 milliliters of water, and the students were supposed to, oh, that one didn't, put a line to represent where the water level was. Oh, they're not following directions. Well, anyway, there's 100 milliliters of water in there. And then we put one on a cart, and then we're going to cover them all night so that they don't get any light at all. So in your lab packet, right here, you're going to sketch out what those models look like. So your models should look something like this. We're going to label one in the light and one in the dark. So the next thing that you need to do is to make a prediction. What do you think is going to happen to the 2 beakers of water and the celery? So write down what types of things you think we're going to observe tomorrow. And then also in your prediction include why you think that. So try to come up with some explanations of why those things might occur. And then tomorrow we will be doing part 2, where we check on it after 24 hours of being in the light and 24 hours of being in the dark.